gonna do some Doomsday Apocalypse chili. No, but what a lot of people don't think about is there are these kind of situations. You don't have to buy all the canned food and stuff there is. All it really is going to take is for you to make lasagna, spaghetti, chili, freeze them. You'll have enough to last you for quite a while. And I had to make special, things for the, because, the store was out of just about everything. So, I got a big can of tomatoes, whole tomatoes, and crushed them with my hand, used the juice. I drained 3 regular size cans of red kidney beans. Then I got one, how many ounce, I'm sorry, 12-ounce can of tomato paste. That's chili starter. And usually you use the slow cooker, but we're hungry and we haven't eaten.
Now, I don't know where his ass got to.
Anyway. This can go in a crock pot, but like I said, we're hungry. We've been moving all day. We're trying to expedite things a little bit. Okay, we got McCormick slow cooker chili mix. It says it's good for the Instant Pot. Guess what? I don't have it. What? Okay. I am gonna have to slow this down a little bit on the boil. I'll put them on about 3. We may see if I have any more tomato sauce and stuff. I know. I should be prepared. This is stupid, but I promise. Oh, there we go. I knew I had one more can. I'm gonna do another can of the whole tomatoes. It is a 28-ounce can. We like the whole tomatoes. I like to have big old chunks of tomato in mine. I'm going ahead and start this. It's fun to crush these things. Take out some aggression. Pretend it's somebody's head. I don't have any problems, I promise you. And since they didn't have a hamburger meat because everybody thinks that it's the end of the world, I'm using cube steak. You can use cube steaks to meat, ground chicken, ground turkey, ground pork even, whatever your favorite meat. I do use hamburger meat, but they were out, so I have cube steak. I don't know, Mom. Yep, apparently.
Oh, Lord.
We're the world's coming to an end. You need hamburgers. Yes. Alright, now we're going to add our seasoning. We're going to add our chili seasoning. It's starting to smell good and look good. I need the tongs. Yeah.
You gotta come back.
There's something stuck in the tank I gotta grab.
You gotta come back. Oh my Jesus. Sorry, people.
Ha! Well, it happens.
Technical
Have they seen the new
difficulty.
fish tank? Which is not quite ready yet.
Oh, Lordy.
Sorry about that. Technical difficulty.
Yeah, because we don't have technical difficulties here. What are you talking about, Jesse?
We don't have fancy equipment, so.
No. We got fancy us. We're pretty darn fancy.
Fancy.
Burley. Okay. I'm totally unprepared for this today. Alright. It's already got a really thick, good chili consistency to it, so. You know, like I said, I am not a chef, so I do have to check my. I do have to check my, recipes sometimes. There's nothing wrong with that. Okay. Thank you. I'm calling baby Shrewsbury is not wanting to cooperate right now. Alright, that's the first part of it done. Now I'm gonna get me in a frying pan. Oh, goody, I need to.
And Tanya's feeding us chili, and there's no toilet paper to be found.
Yeah,
Great
well,
idea.
well, that's true. I mean, can't do nothing about that, but. Okay.
Yeah. Excuse me, I need to wash up right quick.
Got my cube steak. Well, I had to. There were no hamburger meat.
There wasn't.
Mm-mm.
Wow.
That's a Corona.
Everybody thinks we're dying, guys.
Yes. Even though it's just a cold, basically.
All right, Dylan. Because there's gonna be a million comments. Well, actually, it's different. Blah blah blah. We don't want to argue, okay? We don't care.
That little virus ain't gonna kill me.
Okay, now.
He's already got me in the side.
Isn't that what the crude says? No.
Whoops. Yeah, technically,
Well.
the food should predict it.
And this is really the same consistency and the same,
Oh.
a lot of the same flavor as regular
Put
hamburger.
this in the fridge, because that's cleaned out.
Sorry. Look at that. I'm gonna have a bigger knife. You see, you can't ever find things when you want it. I needed a bigger knife. Alright, I'm getting a bigger one. Okay.
Woo!
There you go. I got a bigger knife.
Neat. It's
Yeah, it's about the same consistency, so it's good. It really is almost hamburger meat. They just haven't finished grinding it all the way.
You making hamburgers?
No, we're doing cube steak for our chili.
Ooh. Chile.
Yeah, very good. Very, very good. And with this, to add some flavor, I'm going to saute some onions with it. It'll add some flavor to the cube steak.
Oh yes, onions. Onions don't smell very good.
They taste really good.
Not they do. Especially wild onions, those are pretty good too.
Yep, shallots.
And you can find them right in your front yard.
Yep.
So that's great about them.
You were supposed to be my sous chef.
I know, I've been helping everyone else with other stuff.
I know you're fired.
Good.
I'm fired myself, chef.
anyways. Although I do need to get a job. Won't stay right.
Did he start welding his clothes yet?
I don't know.
For work?
I think he's getting going to.
Woohoo!
Has he started his clothes for work?
I don't know.
Better ask him.
Father!
Father.
Have you sorted your clothes for me?
I'm gonna turn this all the way down on low because I don't want to scorch it before I get all of my ingredients in it. That's gonna be some good chili. get to use my nice Hobie bought me for Christmas. We actually get this going, and it's gonna pretty much look like hamburger meat the way it's cut up and everything. So then I've got sour cream, and we're gonna melt cheese, and we have crackers, and I'm making cornbread.
Cornbread, huh?
I'm making.
I kind of want a piece of cornbread, but I want some for milk.
That's why I'm making so much.
Oh, okay, so I can have both.
Yeah, for breakfast.
Have you ever had cornbread and milk?
Yes, I have.
Is it not good?
Yes, it is.
Thank you.
Dad showed it to me once.
So freaking good.
But I'm making cornbread and regular and sweeter corn muffins because everybody likes different ones for different things. So. I mean, you know, like I said too, in these times you can make your own bread, you can make your own hand sanitizer.
But you can't make your own toilet paper.
Well,
Yeah, you can. Just take some leaves from outside.
You take some leaves,
old magazines,
No,
paper towels, napkins.
I'm gonna do that.
Makeup wipes.
Yeah,
Yeah,
baby wipes. I mean, all kinds of stuff.
they're getting those too now, though.
What, baby wipes?
Believe me, I already have footage of all
How
that.
about makeup wipes? They take a makeup wipe too?
I don't know, probably.
People are just.
These clothes are starting to buy that.
It's the same common sense rules as it always has been for every other kind of disease and stuff. Keep your hands away from your face and your eyes and your mouth, and wash your hands frequently. I mean, it's pretty much.
Yeah, but
common
nowhere
sense.
did it say it's gonna give you diarrhea, and you know you need.
Well, not only that, in the bottled water thing, I don't understand either. They're not going to cut off the water.
No.
We're still going to have water. And a lot of these people don't drink a bottle of water a month, but they're going to get it for now for some reason. Why?
Yeah, but we couldn't get none.
I had to buy Gatorade for work. I'm pretty sure she'll probably have to edit this down because this is probably boring just watching me cut up steak. You know what? I forgot it's not that tough. You can tear it a little faster that way. Ouch. Excuse me. Push.
It's not for the fish food, it's the Sobeys.
Now we're just gonna brown all this meat and onions together. We'll do like all these fancy people. We'll say we'll let it marry. We're gonna let the flavors marry, okay?
Kind of let him marry.
Yeah.
Well, I would need to invest in a tripod.
Yeah, I
So I
know.
can just set it down and
Yeah. Do it that way.
anybody wants to donate, you know, wants us to,
It's a good chili flavor.
you know.
Hey, the kids are crazy. It's gonna be delicious. In a few minutes,
Get the rag too, Dylan, please.
In a few minutes, we're gonna start the the cornbread. I'm sorry, I have so much stuff going on right now. It's chaos.
You told me to leave it all out, and then you.
I know, those are biscuit
Boom,
ones.
boom, ba-da, boom,
I
boom,
didn't see it.
boom.
You didn't see it. Not your fault. My husband doesn't eat onions, but he will eat the cooked onions. And I get the simple cornbread mix and stuff because guess what? I don't have time to sit there and do a lot of this junk. Okay.
Lots of this stuff.
Have 1.5 cups of milk and some veggie stable oil. Okay. So it's the same ingredients, but just making sure. I'll get me a big bowl in a minute and start mixing it up. And I have to do a 400-degree oven. So you have to preheat. We'll get that going in a minute. And look, we've got light fixtures out here because I'm about to change the one in my lighting room. So I have weird things laying around. I did get the lights
Yeah,
when I think that
I showed
those
you
were
that.
awesome.
I already posted them in a vlog.
My father-in-law, my brother-in-law, and my sister-in-law. Let's see. It is Rodney, Sarah, and Richard Williams. I'll come over here and help. Donald Williams. Do it. And it really was an oversight. I forgot to put Sarah in the post because I wasn't here, so I was just going off of who Donald said was here, and I forgot that he said she was here. I'm sorry, Sarah. Okay. You're the most awesome one here, so you know that was here that day. So I don't know how I forgot the cooler one. And since this is not hamburger meat and it doesn't have a whole lot of fat in it, I'll put a tiny little bit more vegetable oil in it just so the onions will saute. And see, like this chili and stuff, I mean, even when it's not the apocalypse, you freeze it and it's good. And it'll last for a while. And like I said, even if it's just a lot of oil people that are married and moms don't have a whole lot of time. So what I like to do is when I make big meals, if I have leftovers. If I have leftovers, I'll make them, put them in the bowls, and freeze them.
That's our special boy right there.
So that when I am home and we don't have time to cook, you can cook. You can just heat the food up.
But now I can't see. You're standing in the wrong spot.
There you go.
You could stand on the other side. I wasn't saying you couldn't do it.
Fat boy's gonna cook a little bit.
I just meant stay on the other side so I could see you. Goofy.
Yes, chunky boy. I have to get a bowl because while he's doing that, I'm gonna start mixing the cornbread. That's gonna allow me to have time to cook. Because I mean, now all he's doing is browning and sauteing.
Yep.
When that's done, let me know and we can show him what the final result looks like before we put it in the chili.
Chili.
Sorry about the.
Sorry.
Have you ever heard of chili? You know what you find in chili?
What?
You'll find that really soft thing.
What really
A
sucks?
kinkajou. No, chinchilla.
That's chile, not chili.
Yes, you find chinchillas in chili.
Not
You
chili.
do not find
Chile.
chinchillas.
That's a
You find
country.
chinchillas in chili.
You do not find chinchillas in
Oh.
Chile.
Yes,
I'm
you
so
do.
sorry. He's weird.
He's special. He needs help.
Okay.
He's a little
It
bit
is too
nutty.
different.
I am awesome. I know.
It is 2 different milks or 2 different boxes, but we're still gonna
It'll work.
mix it together. You just have to make sure you have the ingredients for both things.
And she's all feisty now with her pioneer woman.
Hey!
Oh, isn't that awesome? I never knew they had measuring bowls. So cute. I know, I'm very special.
Mom, are you a little special?
Yeah, but I'm a lot less special than you.
God, that's just evil. You know, I'm gonna hate you now.
Oh, do you? Do you want to hate me now?
Yes, I want to hate you.
I'm very sorry about that. 1.5 cups. And then we're gonna need 2/3 of a cup.
Kick that thing at me.
Let's do this.
Take that bowl back.
And then Dixie's crazy.
That
So was Colin.
wasn't Dixie. I didn't know
That
Dixie
was
could
a
talk.
silly little.
I thought he was talking about Dixie.
No, it's my cup. Stuck in
We
the
weren't talking about Dipsy.
Oh, Dipsy. Yeah,
Dipsy.
we're talking about Dipsy right now. Oh my gosh. Okay. 1 egg and 1 egg. So
I kind of feel like having steak now.
well, you're gonna have steak in the chili.
Did the bowl like
Yeah, just not full steak.
So
Guess what you get to do, Dylan? Love me.
Kick you?
Let's be nice to me.
Can't be nice to anyone. It's illegal. I'm allergic to being nice, sorry.
okay. 1/3 of a cup of butter. And then this one calls for 1/3 cup or 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Let's go get the
Veg oil.
you are a veg.
Where's the vinegar?
We don't use vinegar for that, you crazy.
But you can drink vinegar
Yeah, but we're not using it, so why do we need it?
to drink.
You?
Why else get rid of a cold faster?
And do you have a cold?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you do.
Ugh.
You know what we didn't do?
What?
Get somebody's medicine.
Whose?
Yours.
Which
I need
one?
mine, too.
Allergy.
I'm gonna need that.
I'm gonna need that.
Do I have any left right now?
Don't lose it,
Do I have
please.
any left to take right now?
It's in my pack.
Want some?
Well, I'm sorry. I was trying to answer other people.
That means my cold's gonna be even worse. Come
Well, I don't know what to tell you.
on. Destroy Walgreens.
It
Get
ain't,
all
Wal-
my allergy medicine there.
it ain't Walgreens' fault. We forgot to go get it. I need to get mine tomorrow too.
I need to get mine. I have a prescription there.
I don't know how to get it, but
Baby's gonna have to either take you or let you use the vehicle.
I'm gonna stand.
Cause he won't like me if I don't
Oh,
have
yeah.
if I don't have my medications.
What can
I thought it had a bag in it, but it does not.
Darn, we need to fix this thing.
We're gonna have to get somebody's gonna have to take out the trash.
Nathan.
This is full.
you've been in that fridge for the past.
Hour. What's up?
He wants something in the refrigerator.
He's been in the fridge. He's been eating.
He's been playing little piggy. We're only missing the 2 others.
I'm one.
And the big bad wolf.
I'm a piggy.
I must be the big bad wolf there. I'll huff and puff and blow your house down.
So you're blowing your own house down.
Dum dum.
What did you, dummy?
No, I can't call the little piggies out around Christmas time.
Sorry. He's so smart. He's so funny. We're not ready.
Yes, being mean is fun.
Okay, I got all my
It's a full-time job too.
And this is the regular cornbread. If you were making the corn muffins, you'd add some sugar.
It's about done.
All right. Are the onions? Can you see through them?
Yeah, it's starting to.
Then that means they're about sauteed, and we can pour it into the chili mix.
Good green onion right there.
It's okay.
Well, let me see it. You should know.
What?
No, I meant the. There's what it looks like. Okay.
you know. Sorry, that one was a little flimsy. It wasn't mixing right. Because I don't want clumps of cornmeal in the cornbread. Okay, there you go. Oh, and after this, we're gonna have to we're gonna put dishwasher to use. Excuse me. Okay. Is it? Since it's about done, just turn that off.
Just let it sit.
Yep.
Oh,
Sorry. I gotta get a big pan and grease my pan.
I need a thumbnail, Dylan, so you can have to feed
Oh,
my.
I can do that now.
Well, now you gotta wait till the city gets done.
I'm already still in the food.
Yeah, we already chewed too.
I know, but
I know. And he's a thief.
I know.
Thieves have to go to the stake.
Yes, they do. That's still every food they want.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Cornbread.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. I got love in my tummy. Don't ask.
I'm not gonna.
Just don't. We're making a big pan of regular cornbread, and then the other ones that I'm gonna make are gonna be corn muffins.
Woo!
Because they're gonna have a
I
little
love
sweetness to them.
Oh, look.
I like to have savory. Oh, and that's.
Nice.
But then I also like to just eat corn muffins. So that's why we're making sweet ones too. Kind of make a dessert out of it. Come on, they're good. They're sweet. Okay, now. Okay. I'm gonna have to do this way because I've got pot. The handle needs to be tightened up, and I don't want to take a chance on picking the pot up and losing all the meat. That would be not cool. You know what they? Please don't break my cup. Now who left that over here? But I'll beat them down. Okay. I'm gonna do this a little bit easier. A little bit less mess. Okay. Sorry. And I left the juice because it's not hamburger meat, it's not grease. I left the juice in there so it could, add a little bit of flavor to the chili. Alright, sous chef, we're gonna have to start loading that dishwasher. Take the trash out. We're going vegetarian corn muffin mix. I didn't know there was such a thing, but anyway.
I didn't know it was gonna be vegan.
Okay, it didn't say vegan. I was about to say it says eggs, but okay, they didn't say vegan, so I can't laugh at them. It didn't say vegan. Okay, to this, you're gonna follow the package directions. We use Jiffy. Jiffy's a really good corn muffin mix. Johnny cakes. Okay. Yeah, these are corn muffins. They're like vegetarian and vegan alternatives. I'm good. We like some meat stuff in now. So true. And the child is a nut. And because we're making corn muffins, I like to add a little sugar to it. Make it a little sweet. If I can find where everyone gets the sugar. The way my line's set up, we may not have any, so. Stop! Everything will go in there. sugar for my coffee, but it's regular sugar. It's just not a big bag, and I don't need that much. I'm about a quarter cup of sugar, a little bit less. Give it, just to give a little bit of sweet to it.
This is a quicker way to open.
In and out. Sorry, my husband's still as a child. I can't. No, Dylan, no, my other.
Well, she's coming here. At least we'll get to see Leah.
Okay. Already added my milk. Okay, y'all. I know. And what is easy for this? If you have ice cream scoop, you can scoop it right into it. I'm sorry. I promise you there's not a dying child in there.
My tooth almost fell out.
You losing another tooth?
Hello.
What? You can't lose more teeth, okay? You're not allowed. Thank you. Goodbye. Go stop losing teeth. Sometimes he takes me way too seriously. Sometimes he's like, oh, I'm sorry, kid. I'm just playing, dude. See, I don't know where my head is right now. We're using both of them. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Let me get my spoon. Got me a big spoon. I'm going to fill each cup about halfway. I also have a mini muffin maker. I probably should have made mini ones, but because I know how everyone is. These muffins will be gone real fast, and then everybody will be angry. But everyone remember, we still got cornbread too. Okay. Go fetch one. I got 3 boxes and it still feels like, it feels like it didn't make enough. But I think it's gonna do it. It's a World War III in here. It's the War of the Children. And see, I don't even have to clean this because I already have a volunteer to look over it. It only made 10, but you have a big thing of cornbread, so. Let's check on this cornbread right here. Just get nice and golden on the top. The one really good way to see if cornbread's done is to try to stick a fork in it. If it comes out clean, cornbread's done. Alright. We're gonna let this cornbread cool off a little bit. Alright. We'll put our 2 pans of corn up in there. And it takes about 20 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes, about 30 to 45 minutes for a big pan of cornbread. And then we'll be back in a few minutes to show you the corn muffins when we're done.